Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today we're going to explore the crucial role of an efficient maintenance program in food and beverage production. Stay tuned as we delve into the factors to consider when setting up such a program and the key elements that will help ensure food safety and compliance with regulations. You'll learn about the impact of equipment design, the importance of preventive maintenance, and how a CMMS can streamline your operations. So, let's dive right in. Creating an efficient and effective maintenance program in any manufacturing company is vital to its overall success. But for food and beverage producers, it's even more critical due to food safety concerns and regulations. We're going to dive into the factors you need to consider when establishing, running, and maintaining an effective maintenance program for your food manufacturing business. When you're selecting new or pre-owned equipment for your food manufacturing business, it's crucial to consider how the machine is designed and its impact on your overall production process. You need to ask questions like, does it increase the risk of contamination or decrease it? What kind of evaluation will it need to undergo before it meets regulatory requirements? The design of your factory floor also plays a significant role in controlling food contamination and ensuring employee safety. According to a recent study, a quarter of all food contamination results from improperly designed or improperly used equipment. So, it's crucial for food manufacturers to ensure that all food contact surfaces are made from food-grade material that's not corrosive, toxic, or absorbent. Your overall maintenance program must also minimize the risk of food contamination. An excellent maintenance program is crucial to any manufacturing company, but it plays an even greater role in the food and beverage industry due to food safety issues. Several foodborne outbreaks have been linked to improper equipment maintenance in the past. Just as food and beverage manufacturers must have stringent sanitation standard operating procedures and traceability processes, maintenance procedures must be well defined to ensure food safety. Preventive maintenance is important to any manufacturing company, but it plays a special role in food and beverage companies. Besides the typical benefits of less downtime and improved productivity, preventive maintenance can go a long way to ensure food safety, as well as record work completed for documentation and compliance. When you start a preventive maintenance program, consider reliable forms of storing data, such as in a CMMS. With a CMMS, you can track critical information in one place, as well as limit permissions and access to records to ensure their integrity. Along with time-based maintenance tasks, companies should also consider a risk assessment related to each piece of equipment. For example, a simple part like a gasket could result in contamination and spoilage for a food manufacturer. Therefore, this component should be frequently checked and replaced before it malfunctions. Documented processes and procedures are critical to a well-running program. Food and beverage manufacturers should gather equipment manuals and suggested schedules, along with company-specific processes and requirements to compile a comprehensive set of maintenance procedures. One of the areas for greatest contamination is actually floors and issues related to drainage systems. During maintenance inspections, floors should be checked for cracks, chips, and damage to coatings and transitions. Managing an environment that supports good air quality is key to maintaining food safety within food and beverage production. Facilities should regularly maintain and change filters in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations, as well as treating and testing air quality on a regular basis. Another key area of a comprehensive maintenance program is managing maintenance, repair, and operations inventory. CMMS can easily integrate purchasing requirements into work orders. After maintenance tasks are performed, it's particularly important for food manufacturers to engage in a thorough sanitation program to ensure that equipment will not contaminate products. Although food and beverage companies can be incredibly innovative when it comes to using technology to create value-added products and services, it is frequently stuck in paper-based, regulation-heavy manual processes when it comes to maintenance tasks. It's time to make the switch to digital, which will make compliance with government and industry regulations easier and more efficient. Here are some examples of how technology can help. Data input. By giving maintenance staff the ability to scan equipment, take pictures of work, and input progress immediately on the shop floor, companies will reduce errors and improve productivity. Historical records. If maintenance technicians can access the history on a piece of equipment as well as manuals and checklists on a mobile device before beginning work, they will have a wealth of knowledge at their fingertips to do the job more completely. Augmented reality. This technology is an excellent way to train inexperienced technicians on new tasks, providing live-streamed, overlaid instructions, as well as building a training library for the future. Virtual reality. Technicians can work on food and beverage equipment virtually to learn how to deconstruct, repair, and reassemble without disrupting a production line. Sensor technology. A wide variety of sensors that measure things like temperature, humidity, vibration, mileage, and fluid levels are available today. Data analysis. When quality information is entered into a CMMS, the backlog of data can be a valuable source of information in terms of measuring key performance indicators, ongoing performance of equipment, and when a rebuild or replacement may be warranted. With today's technology and plenty of examples of best practices, food and beverage manufacturers can create an equipment maintenance program that can better ensure food safety. In addition, many of these practices will also help companies operate more efficiently, improve productivity, reduce downtime, and control costs. That all potentially leads to greater profitability and long-term success of the entire organization. And that wraps up our discussion for today. We've explored the importance of an efficient maintenance program, the role of equipment design, and the significance of preventive maintenance in food and beverage production. We've also touched on how a CMMS can streamline your operations. Thanks for joining us, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and see you next time.